JV Nation! What's going on, everybody? My name is Jeremiah Vegan. I am your host that does the most. In today's episode, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to make $200 with a $10 Facebook ad. I'm very energetic. Y'all thought I was asleep, but I ain't get no sleep because of y'all. Y'all ain't gonna get no sleep because of me. I ain't get no sleep because of y'all. Y'all ain't gonna get no sleep because of me. Okay? Nah, all jokes aside, alright, I'm gonna talk to you guys about how to make $200 with a $10 Facebook ad. Before I get into this video, I want to make sure that you guys are clear. I need you to subscribe. I know every YouTuber tells you to subscribe, thumbs up, and all this other stuff, but this is why I'm telling you to subscribe. I am trying to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month. If not the end of this month, then I'm gonna do 1,000. I'm gonna try to do 1,000 subscribers in February, before February 20th. The reason why, because not that you guys really care. I don't know if you care or not, but YouTube has changed their algorithm. Okay, and I'm just trying to, they changed their algorithm where you have to have a certain amount of subscribers and a certain amount of watch time before they enable your monetization for your videos. Now, monetization is not a huge thing for me because I make money several ways, and I built YouTube channels for other people. But now that I'm building my own channel, I just want to make sure that all of my videos get the same amount of visibility as before, because they won't be monetized. So I don't know if YouTube will like me or not. I have to look that up. But anyways, make sure you guys subscribe and make sure you guys check in my description and see what I got going on, because I'm one of the few YouTubers that actually pay attention to what they put in the description. Alright, so let's get started into this video, okay? Now, Facebook ads are difficult for a lot of people. That's why I wanted to cover it. Make sure you guys are aware. I've had some mistakes that I've done with Facebook ads, but I had some success as well. And you can be the person that is going to have success. Okay, Facebook ads right now are really cheap. So you can actually run a $10 Facebook ad and make a profit depending on how you do it. All right, I pulled up some articles as I always do. And we're going to shout out to Promo. We're going to look at Promo and reference their blog. And basically what it's going to say here is how to get great marketing results with only $10. I'm going to go over briefly on what this means. How to conquer Facebook marketing with a $10 ad. Okay, let's read a little bit about what it's saying. Okay, for small businesses with modest budgets, this new pay-to-play environment can pose some serious challenges and feel intimidating. However, while you do need to invest money to see results, you don't need a massive budget. Even a humble daily budget would bring you exponentially better results. They know they didn't need to use that word. Exponentially better results than posting it with nothing at all. Here are a few great tips on how to get the most out of Facebook video ad budget of $10 per day. Okay, y'all know I can't read. I went to a public school, but I do know how to make money. Alright, so check this out. Let me read a little bit. Focus on creating custom audience. Facebook periodically updates its ad manager to help advertisers get in front of the most valuable audiences. Currently, you can create an audience of your current customer or even target audience based on video engagement and watch time. When you have $10 to spend on your Facebook video ads, make sure they reach the best audience. Make sure they reach the best possible audience. That is super important, guys. Don't waste your time and, most importantly, money on targeting people who don't represent your ideal community. So basically what they're saying is when you're going in Facebook and you're editing and you're going through your profile, you want to make sure that you specifically hit your people that will be the most likely to buy your product. The reason why Facebook is so powerful is that you can be very specific, and you can't really get that from any other platform, because Facebook tracks everything you do. They track your activity. There's so many ways that they can track what you like, so many different ways on how they could find out what you're interested in. All right. So you want to make sure that you're targeting your ideal audience. Let me give you an example. If you're selling cat earrings, right? You want to target people who obviously like cats. How do you do that? You don't know. Now, people may say, well, you go to a page that talks about cats, like you know, because you can target different pages on Facebook, right? So you might go to a page where they're targeting, they might like cats. They might like a page that say they like cats. So you target them, which they may like cats, but how do you know for sure if they're not just liking cats just to like cats for passing? What if you want to target people who really like cats? You would need to target the people who like the cat brands. No one's going to like the cat brands unless they really have a liking towards the brand. So that is another way of being very specific. Okay, that's just an example. You can apply it to however you want to apply it. You're just going to have to provoke your mind a little bit, and that's why I said that. Now let me continue on. For example, if you're running a special promotion or sale, don't waste money on trying to reach people who have never heard of your brand before. Consumers buy from brands and companies they know and trust. For this kind of campaign, it's best to target an audience of your current customers. Facebook allows you to upload your own customer data, including customer email addresses, phone numbers, Facebook user IDs, and people who previously visit your site. For use in your video ad campaigns, take advantage of these options and watch your $10 bring in great results. Now, let me give you guys an example on how I became successful with one of my ads that I did. A couple of years ago, I used to have this car referral business where I essentially sell other people's cars for them. I did an ad, not even know what I was doing. I had like a page called the Jeremiah Car Guy or something like that, right? And I started putting together an ad, right? I took a picture of a car, blocked the license plates or whatever, and I said an estimated of what I think the amount of the car would be, right? And people just start liking and engaging in it. And I only spent $5 on it. And people start calling me and trying to get more information on the car. So you can take that information and you can resell it. You can put it in the mailing list. You can do whatever. And what happens is someone called me about a car. I forward them to a lot that I was familiar with, and they end up purchasing a car. So I end up getting credit for it. I didn't really spend any money. I spent maybe $5, $10 on an ad, okay? And that was just me just playing around, experimenting, trying to figure out how this Facebook thing worked. And it worked. Now, everybody can't have that success, obviously, but that goes to show you, sometimes it takes experimenting, and sometimes you just have to go in there, get messy, figure out what works for you. And obviously it depends on the type of industry you're in too. So just keep that in mind. But let me continue on. Promote video posts. Don't boost them. Okay? Boosting the videos that you posted organically on your timeline is an easy way to see a boost in reach. By doing this, a greater number of your current fans, as well as people who are not yet your fans, will definitely see your videos. However, it's not the best way to get most out of your $10 daily budget. Boosting your video posts doesn't give you control over your audience, While it will reach more of them, it won't reach the highest number of valuable viewers who are likely to take action with your video. Instead of simply boosting your video post, promote them through Facebook Ads Manager. Using this tool, you can set your objectives, build your custom audience, and target the right people. It's also a great tool for monitoring your budget to make sure you stay on track without going over. If you're new to Facebook Ads Manager, take your time to learn the tool before you jump in and start using it. While you don't have to be an expert, knowing the basics will help you better understand how to promote your videos and manage the budget. Okay? This is just the beginning, people. So basically what they're saying is to test and figure out what to do. It ain't gonna take that much time. You can simply do a video on how, or look up a video on how to post an ad on Facebook. Okay, so they saying that you shouldn't boost videos. I boosted the video. I'm gonna keep it 100% with you guys. I boosted the video. I boosted the post. People start gravitating towards it. It's a hit and miss. Sometimes we can't overcomplicate things. We just need to go in there, get messy. You're gonna lose money when you're first starting. Damn, I feel like I sound really ignorant. Like I feel like I sound like I sound rude. I'm not trying to sound rude. I'm being really silly, but at the same time, I'm being very serious because I really do want to help you guys. Let me be serious. I really do want to help you guys, and I really do want to see you guys successful. So I'm really giving out this information to get you to like me. So make sure you like this video. And I want to continue to give you guys great content. This was a really good article. This is how I learned majority of my information. This is why I learned. This is how I know so much, is because I'm constantly reading, I'm constantly researching, constantly finding tools to teach other people so they can have a successful business. So all of this is out of the love, okay? At the end of the day, I was able to do it, and you was able to, and you can be able to do it as well. At the end of the day, think about it. Facebook ads aren't that expensive. $5 to $10 a day, and you can literally boost a post for a day. Or you can go into the ads manager like the article suggests, figure out how to learn the basics, which shouldn't take that long for you to do, and then you go about it accordingly. Now, if you don't want to go into the basics, what you can do is you can go on a website like Fiverr or Upwork, and you can actually hire someone to help you do it, and it doesn't cost a whole lot of money. Okay, you don't have to break the bank to actually get somebody to do it. All right, let me give you guys an example. Hopefully they don't make me sign in to my thing. So you can go on Fiverr, and let's cover, okay, well, I gotta sign in. So I'm gonna come right back and I'm gonna give you guys an example of what I mean. Okay. So what I did was I went into Fiverr, I created a Fiverr account. If you're not familiar with Fiverr, Fiverr is a place where you can hire freelancers, and freelancers on here do several different things. They do all kinds of stuff, and they basically do free virtual work for a cheap cost. Okay, you can do video animation, graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, fun and lifestyle, all types of stuff. You can hire people to do digital marketing on here as well. They got freelancers that are doing different things and different costs. For example, this guy has right here, I will target Facebook ads, and he has his budget. I will be your Facebook ads manager, $100. You got this person who is higher. I will manage and optimize your Facebook ad campaign. So they're a top rated seller, and they have a premium price of $9.95. So you can click on different things and see what they have to offer. Let's click on this person for an example. Excellent J for real, business analyst consultant out of Nigeria. Okay. As you can see, I mean, they have a 4.9, 45 reviews. So they have different prices that covers what they do. Do you need someone to create and set up a nice Facebook ad for your business? Or you have a business product that needs more exposure? No problem, I'm here for you. I will set up your Facebook ads campaign with demographic research and target the audience you want to reach. Okay, so right there, and they do that, they charge you like $100. That's one of their services. Okay. Let's look up another one while I got you guys watching me still. Facebook ads. I will target Facebook ads. Let's go back to this guy. I'm a professional email marketer. Please do contact me prior to ordering this gig. Hi, I'm Cody. Welcome to the gig description. Do you know there are what blah blah blah? He talks about the status. I probably won't buy nobody. Probably buy from him because he doesn't give enough information. But that's just to give you guys an example. Make sure you guys do your research. You can also go to Upwork.com. I'm going to talk about that in another video because I don't want this video to be too long. But that's essentially how you can get stuff done with $10, okay? Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you want me to talk about. Let me know if you would like me to cover different topics, different things. If you would like me to cover more in detail, because people be just disliking stuff and they don't even comment. They just dislike it and they don't break it down. So if you want me to break it down, I can definitely do that. And I love you. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. JV Nation. Yeah, y'all. Hey, oh, yeah, by the way, new video every day at 11 a.m. Thank you. See you tomorrow.